Welcome to French Toast Academy. Today, we start with the basics, the French alphabet. Simple, clear, essential. Are you ready? Let's go. The first letter is la lettre A. A, comme dans avion. Repeat after me. A. The second letter, la lettre B. B comme banane. Repeat after me. B. C. Comme chat. Say. C. D. Comme dinosaure. Say. D. E. Comme éléphant. Say. E. F. Comme fleur. Say. F. G. Comme gâteau. Say. G. H. Comme hibou. Say. H. I. Comme insecte. Say. I. J. Comme jus. Say. J. K. Comme kangourou. Say. K. L. Comme lune. Say. L. M. Comme maison. Say. M. N. Comme nuage. Say. N. O. Comme oreille. Say. O. P. Comme poisson. Say. P. Q. Comme question. Say. Q. R. Comme robot. Say. R. S. Comme soleil. Say. S. T. Comme tigre. Say. T. U. Comme uniforme. Say. U. V. Comme voiture. Say. V. W. Comme Wi-Fi. Say. W. X. Comme xylophone. Say. X. Y. Comme yaourt. Say. Y. Z. Comme zèbre. Say. Z.
Later this season, we'll explore all the pronunciation differences between the French and English alphabets. For now,
The French I sounds like E in C. The French J is like S in measure. The French E can sound like E or be silent. And finally, the French R is rolled in the throat and not smooth like in English. Let's repeat another time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y et Z.
Great job! Now you know all the letters of the French alphabet. See you in the next episodes at French Toast Academy for numbers, colors, and so much more. And above all, keep listening.